How to begin your journey from negative to positive. What's up, guys? Namaste to all. This is Poonam, international speaker, transformation coach, and a spiritual life coach. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 steps to leave all the negativity behind for you to come to a state where you think, act, and feel only positive, regardless of what's happening on the outside. Now, the first step to initiate your journey towards positivity is to stop feeding to criticism and gossiping. When you are criticizing about someone, some situation, some event, or a person, you obviously are not saying something good. When you're gossiping about someone, you definitely are not adding anything to your life. It is a complete waste of time and energy. And I've said it earlier as well. You can make more money with more time. You can create more time with more money. But what you can never do is to make more time with lost time. Instead, use that time. Go within. Become your best critic. See the things that are not good within yourself and start working on them. That way, you will become the best. You will come at your best behavior. And when you're talking bad about someone, you are just adding more negativity to your life. Though you're not doing anything bad to someone, but when you're talking bad, that is also an energy. When you talk bad, how do you expect to get good in your life? So stop feeding to any sort of criticism and gossip. Now, the second step is to stop getting into arguments. When you fight, by nature, it fights back. And there are a lot of opposing forces in this world who will try and pull you down constantly. Because these people, they always are criticizing, gossiping. They would find problem with every solution. They have all the negative to talk about situations because they are more focused on what's going on the outside than looking within. And these people, they feed on your resistance. If you're someone who's already started your journey, if you're someone who's already in the journey, if you're someone who's already on the path, you're already aware and woke. And you do not have to bother about these people. Because with change, the beautiful thing is it starts from within. You cannot force somebody else into a change. People change when they want to change. They do not change because you want them to change. And like Mahatma Gandhi says, be the change that you want to see in the world. So rather, giving your energy to someone who comes with an opposing energy and opposing force, keep it to yourself, put that energy within you and be on your path firmly. Now, the third and the most important and the most beautiful step of your journey towards positivity is to be happy for others. Be happy when somebody is doing good. Appreciate people when they achieve something. Celebrate others' success. Because that way you would only be focusing on good. And when you focus on good, by nature, it adds more good to your container. Because we all are from the same soul family. You may not be shining right now, but your time will come too. So I hope you got something from this video. I hope this adds a little positivity to your life. If you got anything from the video, hit that thumbs up, heart the video, and follow me for more and more, because this year I am dedicated to serve you with daily dose of inspiration. Namaste.